Do you want to become a Les Mills fitness instructor? Well, this video is for you.
So you want to be a Les Mills instructor, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button, comment any questions, because over the next couple of weeks, there'll be a series of videos dropping in relation to basically thinking of, I want to be up there, I want to be an instructor, to the day you get that email saying, congratulations, you are now a rock star, go and make a difference in the world. So if this is something that interests you, again, like, comment, share, subscribe, and much appreciated. Then who knows, there might be extra content after that to help you on your way after you've had that certification email. So until next time, stay safe, be you, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.